Hi everyone, my name's Kirsten Adams. Um, Sorry about my voice. I came down with COVID this week. Sound terrible, but just bear with me. So I'm excited to be in this class with all of you. Let's see, how do I get to there we go. Some of the things about me is that this is my family. This is from actually 2020, back in October when my daughter got married, but it's the latest picture we have of us all together. Now our daughter that's on the right-hand side, she's on a mission over in Louisiana, and that the boy next to me on my left is now 15 and taller than me. So, um, I grew up in eastern Arizona in a little town called Sholo, and since we've been married, we've lived a lot of different places, and we've ended up in a little place called Yucaipa, California. Um, Things that I love to do are some things I love traveling with my family, like going and seeing different places, different cultures. It's enjoyable. My favorite thing to eat is Mexican food, specifically tacos. I love gardening, and I am working on getting my applied health degree right now. My favorite scripture is Jacob 7:5. It says, "He had hopes to shake me from the faith, notwithstanding the many revelations and the many things which I had seen concerning these things. For I truly had seen angels, and they had ministered unto me. And also I had heard the voice of the Lord speaking unto me in every word, from time to time. Wherefore I could not be shaken." I really like this scripture just because there's a couple things. First off, we have to like do our part to be able to build that testimony. We gotta work for it. We gotta put in the effort. And I feel like once we put that effort in, we also need to remember the blessings that we've had in our lives, the experiences that we had. And if we do that, when hard times come and people try to shake us from our beliefs, we can't be shaken. And that's why I really like that scripture. So for me, I actually started over 20 years ago. I started and I got my associate's degree, and now I just felt like I needed to finish my degree, and so I found Pathways, and I started with Pathways, and then now I'm at BYU, Idaho, and trying to get my applied health degree. And I was okay with just getting my bachelor's degree, but then felt like I really needed to go on and get my master's degree in school counseling. So I have about a year left of BYU, Idaho, and then I'll have a couple years left in master's. So I still have a while to go, but that's okay. I've really enjoyed learning this time around. So um, I'm excited for this class actually because when I take the public health classes, one thing that interests me most is being a health educator. So I like that this class kind of teaches you how like the skills to become a better health educator. So I'm excited to be in this with all of you guys, and we'll see you later.